Hello everyone, my name is Hugh Henderson and I'm a science teacher in the Fort Worth, Texas area, and I want to show you a really cool demonstration using this aluminum rod. This is an aluminum rod that I got at a hardware store. You can get them just about anywhere. And I'm going to make this aluminum rod sing like a violin string. When a violin string vibrates, of course it gives off a sound, and you can make it do different pitches, high pitches, low pitches. And to do that, you have a bow that you pull over the string, and you can put some rosin on the bow. This is rosin, and I roughed it up, and I put some on my fingers so that my fingers could be like the violin bow. And so, first of all, I want to find the center of the aluminum rod like this. That looks pretty much like the center because it balances on both sides. And I'm going to run my fingers along the rod like a violin bow on a violin string. See if you can hear the aluminum rod sing. Did you hear that? Wow. And if I keep adding energy to it, it vibrates even more and sings even louder. Pretty cool. Yeah. But if I hold it in the wrong place, it dampens out the vibration and it doesn't sing anymore. Now, here's my question for you. What if instead of using this aluminum rod, I used an aluminum rod that's shorter? Do you think we will hear a higher pitch or a lower pitch compared to the long aluminum rod? Does a shorter rod make a higher pitch or a lower pitch than a long rod? Take just a minute and talk to your friends and see what you think. Make a prediction. You ready to try it? All right, let me find the center of it by balancing it on either side. That's pretty good. Okay, listen carefully. Did you hear that? Is that a higher pitch? It sure is. So a shorter bar must have a higher pitch than a longer bar. See, here's the long bar. Let's make it sing again. Find the center about right there. Yeah, that's definitely a lower pitch than the short bar. Of course, we see this in a lot of musical instruments, like a xylophone has bars on it, and the longer bars have a lower pitch, and the shorter bars have a higher pitch. Same thing with pipes on an organ. Short pipes have a higher pitch, and long pipes have a lower pitch. But here's something else as a little extra bonus. If I make this rod sing, and then hold it in the middle and spin it, do you hear the pitch go up and down and up and down and up and down? That's called the Doppler effect. And it's because at some points, the rod is coming towards you and other parts it's coming away from you. And so we can tell whether something's coming toward us, the sound has a higher pitch, and when it's going away from us, it's a lower pitch. So maybe you can give this a try if you can get an aluminum rod and some rosin to put on your fingers. And remember, it's not magic, it's science.